Hi, this is Nick with ModerNash. Thanks for taking the time to watch this brief video. In this video, I will show you what it looks like when you work with ModerNash for your design needs. This is an IKEA kitchen design created in IKEA's online kitchen planner. Everyone has access to this planner, but it is challenging to use because it is not a professional planner. It is made for the masses. And so a lot of people have trouble working with this. Luckily, we've been doing this for over 12 years and have mastered it. And so part of our service to you when you have us come out to measure your space is we'll create a plan just like this for you. This was for a customer down in Murfreesboro. And once we create the plan and put all the measurements and doorways and windows and everything in there, you'll get this cool little video from us that shows you a walkthrough of what your kitchen looks like so you can really get a good idea on the remodel process and all the details that go into designing a kitchen. Once we have a plan done, we can also get you pricing from IKEA on what the cost of the cabinets are. And of course, we offer shipping and installation of IKEA cabinets. And we work with various different contractors to help you get any other additional items that you need done, like flooring, electrical, plumbing, etc. But the cool thing in the plan here is you're able to actually see how the cabinets work. And I'll zoom in on this one so you can get a good idea. But you'll be able to open it up and see, oh, this has 3 drawers, shallow, medium, and deep drawer. And part of the video you receive from us is we walk through the whole plan and we tell you what everything is. This is a cool straight corner cabinet. And on the inside, it actually has these 2 pull-out shelves. They're kind of a jelly bean shape, and they extend fully outside of the plan here. But in addition to the elevations and bird's eye view renderings, you'll also get this cool video from us, which really helps a lot of people get a good idea on what their kitchen could look like. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this, and we look forward to working with you soon.